Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by saving a copy, then open the document and enable Show/Hide Paragraph so you can see spaces and paragraph marks. Once done, press Ctrl+H to open Find and Replace. This gives you direct control to target spaces. Make sure you are in the main document and not a header/footer unless needed. Also check Wrap and Selection options so replacements apply to the whole file, and keep the dialog open for the next step. Next, type 2 spaces into Find and 1 space into Replace, then click Replace All. Repeat until the dialog reports 0 replacements. That removes runs of 2 spaces. For larger or mixed runs, click More, check Use wildcards and enter Space To in Find and a single space in Replace, then replace all once. This collapses any sequence of 2 or more spaces into 1. Make sure Undo works by testing on a small select. Finally, remove leading and trailing spaces and validate results. Use Find, type a space at start of line or use W for white space when appropriate, and replace with Nothing to trim line, start/ends, then scan the document with Show/Hide Paragraph on. Proofread sentences to catch formatting anomalies introduced by replacements. If something goes wrong, immediately undo, then run the replacements on smaller sections or use a saved backup. A good troubleshooting tip: undo and test wildcard patterns on a copy before full replace.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.